What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to add transitions between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here I have Premiere Pro opened, and on my timeline I have two clips next to each other. So if I play them at the end of the first clip, you'll see that the first one finishes and it goes straight to the second one without any transitions. Okay, you saw that. So let's add a transition between these two clips. First, let's go to the effects panel. If you don't find it, just go to window and then click on effects to show the panel. Now you'll choose the video transitions option here. That's the very last one. Click on the arrow next to it and it'll give you many transitions option. Let's choose, for example, the cross dissolve here. Now what you want to do is to click on the transition and drag it right in between the two clips so that it sits here. Just hit enter or OK. Now if I play the video, watch the transition between the two clips. The first one like dissolves and then the second one appears. Pretty good. Now if I click on the square here, that's the transition itself, and then go to the effect controls panel, I can edit the settings of the transition. So if I want the transition to be longer, I can stretch it even more to take longer. As you can see here, even the square now it is just longer. So let's see what that means. As you can see, it takes longer to dissolve and transition to the second clip.